Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's travel to downtown Reno. Located on the corner of West 1st Street and Virginia Street is the Bruca Theater. Situated in a glass window between the Bruca Theater and the Antique Angel Wedding Chapel is where we will discover our next historical clamper marker. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Virginia Street Bridges. The Virginia Street Bridges. In 1859, one of the area's earliest residents, Charles W. Fuller, built a dwelling on the south side of the Truckee River where the Third Riverside Hotel now stands. He constructed a 17-mile crude stretch of road in the region and received permission to collect tolls. The following year, he built a wooden bridge across the river along this route. The winter of 1862 had considerable flooding, and this bridge, along with all the others along the Truckee, was swept away. The following year, Myron C. Lake purchased the property from Fuller and replaced the bridge. 4 years later, it too was damaged by high water and was rebuilt by Lake. The importance of this site, known temporarily as Lake's Crossing, grew rapidly with the 1859 discovery of the Comstock Lode. With the coming of the railroad 9 years later, the crossing was renamed by Charles Crocker, Reno, after Civil War hero Major General Jesse Lee Reno. The famous Iron Bridge was to follow in 1877. This span was moved from Virginia Street to Rock Street in 1905 when it was replaced by a more attractive concrete structure. This new crossing's low design was partially responsible for the heavy flooding of downtown Reno in 1950, 1955, and 1997. Lasting over a century, this venerable bridge was demolished in 2015 to make way for the fifth known river crossing at this location. Dedicated June 24, 2016, Julia C. Belay Chapter, Eclampus Vitus.